after I'm done eating.
Only once.
Only once.
Did you put 1 drop of soap already?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Just a drop, not a lot, right?
Yeah, not a lot.
Put the plate down to the sink here.
Wait, this still
Joy.
black. Wait, this still black.
Joy, that's... No, here. I said put it down here in the sink. So you can scrub hard. Go, scrub hard on all sides, on all parts. The side with your hand. You haven't scrubbed that. The corners. The corners. This part. It's okay, no problem. This part, have you? And this corner. This corner. This corner. This corner. This corner. This corner.
This?
Oh, scrub hard. I said corner. It means here. Okay, the back side. Flip it.
Flip?
2 hands kasi, 2 hands.
But I'm holding.
Yeah, use 2 hands. It's okay. It's okay. You can do it with 2 hands. Use 2 hands. Use 2. Yan. No, put it down. Yes. And then scrub it hard. Scrub it hard.
Here.
Go. Don't move too much. No, all sides, right? Not only the middle. All sides. You have to scrub it. Ooh, scrub. Okay, very good yan. You're helping Mommy Vicky. We'll send this to Ate Jessica. No? Ito pa. Okay. And last one, this part. Just scrub. Just scrub. Okay. Now, put the sponge down. Where? Where should you put the sponge? Okay. Now, do it with the... Clean it with water. Okay, that's enough. Remove all the soap. The other side. Very good. Also, no, not done. More. There should be not a tinge of any soap in there, because if there's a little bit of soap, it could be dangerous. Scrub hard on all sides, in the corners. Okay, how about the back? The other side. Yeah, the other corner. Go.
Other corner?
All sides. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Okay, the middle again, please. Yeah, and the front part.
The front.
Yeah, last touch. More, scrub. The other side. Don't use your nails.
Oh.
You don't do it like this. You do it like this, gently. Yeah, yeah. About the other side. This one, this side. Yeah, okay. Now, you're done.
But there's still...
Yeah. Taob mo na yan. Put it down first. And then there's a lot more. Go. There in the middle. Okay, good.
There's last plastic.
Okay, there's a lot more plastics in there. Okay, say bye.
Bye. Subscribe.